We're at school, and it's just snowing a little bit, guys. Yeah, it's just snowing a little bit. It's not snowing that much, but it's a very beautiful day outside. Look at all of the snow on the ground. Just beautiful, right? Now I'm back at my casita aquí. And now we're gonna look at all about how the school looks like. Yay! It definitely does not look that bad. It's definitely not like it's all damaged or anything. It's just normal. Oh, look, we're back at my house. Yay! So I'ma just go hang out with my friends. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully the house doesn't catch on fire. Alright, let's go look at the news. It looks like they're saying something about more snowing. Buddy, I already dealt with snow. That's enough. Yeah. I punched the TV. You'd have to pay for it later, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's so cold. Where am I supposed to hide? Oh, okay. Hide up here, I guess. Okay, okay. There we go. I found the perfect spot to hide. And that's behind here. Let's just hope no things start flying around, crashing into stuff. Last time I made a video of a spin bladder and role players, and we're having a lot of that today. Someone's name is literally Coca from Danny's World. The stairs are starting to break. The walls are broken. My TV's good. That's good. My TV's okay. Everything's gonna start falling apart pretty soon. And I might fall and die. Possibly get hurt. But wait, what? And yes, I am hiding here. For I could, like, you know, do stuff. And nope, okay. Guys, once I see a weird avatar, I'm gonna leave the game. What is that? No, is that weird, right? What is this? What is that? Okay, Okay, bye guys.